Welcome, welcome. We are just going to have fun right now. This is just way too much fun. So we're going to teach you a little bit about two Italian designers. We're going to show you this first picture. And the name of the line is called DSquared2. Now this is two brothers. They're actually identical twins. So Dan and Dean is why the DSquared2 name comes from. They're Canadian and they went to Milan to do high-end luxury. And in fact, they're among the highest luxury casual designers in the world. So I thought that was really interesting. So looking at this top, you can see that this is actually sold out. You can't get this shirt anymore. It's a blouse. It's a women's blouse is what it is. And I just fell in love with it. So I have the fabric and I want to show you how much fun you can have with this. So $2,890 is Saudi Arabia price. It equates to 770 United States dollars. So wherever you are, you can base it off that. All right, so in this first picture, I just love the colors. They're perfect for fall. They're all the colors for fall. So make it now, wear it for a while. It's gonna work really, really well. The way this fabric comes is well, let's look at this next picture and you'll start to understand. It's actually printed in panels on the fabric. So it's 100% silk. Beautiful fabric, just beautiful fabric from Italy. And you can see in this picture where you can this is the back. You can kind of see an armhole up there and there's the back. You can see the peacock all the way and the monkey. But what's interesting is this back will fit anywhere from size 4 to size 28. You know, I mean, it'll go all the way up to our size is 8 because it's wide enough to take the largest size, but you can position in the middle or to the side, however you want to position it, which I have more fun with this fabric. And then the fabric has more pieces than you'll probably need. So for instance, there's a monkey and I didn't use that monkey. And obviously you can see I used the front, the back, 2 sleeves, and I used long sleeves. It was short sleeve. And look at the next picture. See, on there you can see a sleeve cap. I don't have that laying just right, but you can see the sleeve cap. And again, that is 18 inches wide. So if you don't need all that, you just put your piece in the middle. You just kind of lay your fabric on it. So it is so much fun to do this. So there's definitely a back, which is meant to be cut in one piece. Then there's 2 sleeves. There's 2 fronts. There's collars. And there's a whole bunch of facings. It is just so much fun, this fabric. So it's pre-printed so that the placement is just exactly, you can put it wherever you want to put it. So then what I decided is I wanted to use pattern number 600 because I just wanted exactly what it was, a classic blouse. The only thing is even if I paid $800 for the blouse, I'd really want it more fitted because you guys know I really like a more fitted blouse. So I used 600, and then what I did is if we look at this next picture, instead of wrapping the front facing around, I figured out where it laid, and then I just cut it as one. So the front facing, as you can see in that photo, is all cut as one. And then I just folded it back and I inserted the collar in between. So I did it like pattern 350. If you have 350 out, you can see where it's the facings folded back, the collar's inserted in between and stitched and then turned out. Now you can do it any way you want. It doesn't matter how you do it, it's a shirt. But I was just trying to play around, and then with the collar, and you can see the red line, instead of doing the little tab there, I just cut it straight because I was inserting it into the neck edge. So I have like a little lapel there where it goes back. But again, it's just so much fun to play with. You get to do it however you want. On my sleeves, I decided, you know, they're the 600 sleeve, they're the regular sleeve, but I decided to do a little elastic kind of casing thing. I love them. I just love it. It honestly feels like the softest thing ever. The silk is beautiful. And what we're doing with the silk is it's pre-order. So we have very limited You guys know this kind of stuff is very limited. The fact that we have it is amazing, especially with it being so recognizable. So you can make an $800 shirt for not a lot. But anyway, you want to get 2 yards, and 2 yards will be enough for pretty much any size. I don't think you'll think you need more. I don't think you will, because those 2 yards will give you all those sizes. Unless you just want extra to be sure. But like I said, it's limited. We'll sell it. It's $75 a yard, and that includes your shipping. So, you know, because it's not going to cost a lot to ship silk. So $75. And then what we'll do is we'll just take orders for the next week. So it's a pre-order. It's a pre-order. And then we'll ship it once we get it in from Italy. We'll order it from Italy. It's so much fun. I hope you have as much fun as I did. I absolutely love my blouse, and I feel rich. Okay. So with pattern number 600 and your silk, the goal, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.